Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Super Matty here, aka Madam What, aka White Hammer, and aka Big Sexy Daddy Dad. So I've been fighting this case of hiccups now for the last, I don't know, 32 hours. And I've tried everything to get rid of them. I've tried scaring myself, boo, that doesn't work. So I looked remedies up online. They said hold your breath. That didn't work. So I'm gonna try one that says it says drink from the other side of the cup. Hopefully that helps me get rid of these hiccups. So I got a glass of water here, and hopefully it all works out. So here we go. No more hiccups. It works. Follow me.